Yo, 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 Larry Lots, back in the spot again. What's good, YouTube man? What's up? today, man. I low-key should duplicate multiple of these joints because I gotta show you NQ and I gotta show you MGC. But I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling confident. Let me go ahead and get up Forex Factory 2 because we do have news on Friday, which is gonna lead into what I'm gonna say about today, Thursday. Um, NQ's NQ's like you can find a ball in here. Let's go ahead and switch that up. I don't even know they got out to 1 minute. I don't think. Um, but we got Forex Factory. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. We're good. But Friday we have 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. news. I used to. If it's any red folder news, I don't trade until 45 minutes after. So 8:30, I wouldn't trade until. I mean, essentially, I don't really have any news events that could stop me from trading except for 10:30 or like 9:45. Really, that's the only other news event. Well, all of these times are 8:30 or 10, really. But nonetheless, if I have news and I might start changing that up. I might change it to if I have morning news, I don't trade until the afternoon because this morning was just so trash. But see, like, I don't consider morning news too detrimental. Like if it's at 8:30, I figure that the 9:30 New York Stock Exchange open, that's like a catalyst that will counteract any type of news that happened. Like you get what I'm saying? Because it's before 9:30. When 10 happens, that's a major event post New York Stock Exchange open. And even when waiting to the afternoon, I just feel like with 10 a.m. news, the whole day is just so trash. Like I have a negative win rate on 10 a.m. news days. So definitely not going to be trading 10 a.m. news days. So with that being said, Thursday today, well tomorrow it's Thursday Asian session I guess is the last day of the week for me. So however I fare in the markets, that's it for my week and weekend. I'm really hoping I can go into tomorrow and get a dub because that'll put me closer to next week. Well, tomorrow, today, whatever you want to call it. That'll put me closer to passing. I don't foresee me getting a straight $600 day, but I definitely did the other day with 200, and today I could have been a lot closer. But let me go ahead and dive into the charts. Um, on MNQ, what I was looking at earlier today was price is kind of in a downtrend. We have price here. I'm not looking too far to the left, but we have price coming down. This is the last low it made right here. Then it retraced. Then it made a low right here. Then it retraced. Then it made a low right here. Because of this, I'll make it more accurate. So that way I don't really got drawn no zones. All right. Because of this, I was thinking that we're in sells. Even though price broke above this, which gives you a change of character. In my video yesterday, I said I need two structures to be broken in order to have a change of direction. You know what I'm saying? Like change of character is the indication that we might change direction. But it's not really like a for sure sign. The time you want to use a change of character is if it's changing character to go back to the direction that you plan on taking the trade from. I'm not sure. My ear feels like it's clogged up, and I'm so tired, man. I still got to work from. I don't just be putting on a shirt just to trade or make these videos. Today was a late day. Then I ended up going to the grocery store too. It's got groceries. So, yo, I ate only chips today. I need to go weigh myself. I'm so light right now. Like I'm probably so like lack of protein, lack of everything. I had a bag of not even sure personal size chips, and I was about to eat the second one, but I'm pretty sure it was stale because when I went to eat it, the back seal was open. So I was like, damn. Which made me think that the first one was also like that because it tastes a little But I was like, damn, just crush these real quick. But all that to say, I'm thinking that we're in a downtrend. I could go ahead and draw zone instead of being lazy, which I will. Zone here. Zone here. All right, boom. Price clearly broke above this one. But price didn't clearly break above this one, not until just now. So, oh, wait, we actually are in an uptrend now. That's good to know for tomorrow. Damn. So, yeah, that's good. I like that. But earlier today. Eyes burning and everything. Price retraced into the depths of this area, which is our last resistance. So I was looking for sells all day, but we didn't get any type of selling pressure, selling indication. I gotta say this. All right, we didn't get any selling pressure, selling indication at all. We got 950 prices coming down. Wait, today's Wednesday. We got 950, 10 a.m. Yeah, so price is pushing up. Then we have 10 a.m. price starts to move down. Now, we did get two structure breaks right here on the 5 minute, but we were so close to the lows, and then it didn't actually give me an actual entry. Like, despite all that movement, I didn't actually get an entry to enter. What is this? It's Tuesday. What's happening? Oh, we had a gap. It's a 15-minute. All right, there we go. Here we go. It's still Tuesday. What's happening, man? I'm just a long day, man. I can't even keep track of the minutes on the chart. So, anyways, look, we had price open today. We had New York Stock Exchange open, pushing up, then coming down. No entries yet. No 5-minute break of structure with a retest, and no continuation pattern. We're pushing higher and higher. The higher we go, we're tapping deeper into this zone right here. This is 9 o'clock, and then we have that big move down. So I'm like, all right, bet. We had this move down. I don't see nowhere for me to get in. I was looking for continuation anywhere down here so I could take it to the lows. I probably would have tried to take it to, this leg right here. See, it touched this zone, so I'm taking it down to this area right here. And we got that crazy wick. That's Tuesday. What's happening? Oh, yeah. This wick created a break of structure. So when the price retraced for Wednesday, a little bit higher than this, I'm thinking, like, we want to retest low again. It did retest. Then it failed to make a new low. That was the costly mistake that cost me in the afternoon. Price retraced higher. I'm thinking since we broke two zones right here, I'll use purple to indicate 5-minute. Clone. Yeah, let me know if anybody ever watches, man. Let me know what type of videos I should make. I should make a day in the life, day in the gym, something. I do plan on making those soon, though. But these are just like my recaps because, keeping the community involved. So price broke below two of them. So I'm like, all right, retest the first one. Two of them is a change of direction. We should be going back to sells. Now I need a retest and some type of confirmation that we're going back down. Like a 5-minute reversal pattern would be perfect. Even without that, I didn't even get a 1-minute reversal. We came here. Well, I guess technically this was it right here. But I'm glad I didn't get it here. I would have got cooked. What was I even doing? Oh, man. Regardless, it didn't work. We went into the zone above it. I'm like, all right, maybe we'll get it here. I'm waiting for a change of character. Oh, with this, I need to change a character and then a reversal pattern. So I didn't get a change of character here. Boom. Looking here. Got to change a character. Then I didn't get a reversal pattern. Then I didn't get it. Then I just was like, forget it. It's too much going on. I'm not trying to force it. And I was at work. I was working. So I just left it alone. Came back to look. I'm like, all right, if I can see a change of character and a reversal pattern, but it was so close to 12. Boom. You see we have a change of character here. A change of character here and a reversal pattern. I don't know where I would have took it to, but it would have been a risky trade regardless. So I'm waiting all the way to the afternoon. The main thing that really tricked me today is on the hourly, I looked at price come right here and reject. So I tricked myself. Originally I said price needs to tap this zone right here. I'm going to get rid of this. And I'll draw this right. I said because price made this leg down and had a change of character from this is the start of the reversal pattern. Because I saw price make this pattern up, down, and then this bearish candle's wick retested, which is how I got into sales yesterday. I'm like, nah, maybe we can just use the wicks from the bearish candle that retested. So I got into my head. I made another zone right here, which doesn't even make any sense because that's not even the right candle. I'll make it blue so you can know because it's exactly how I had it earlier. When price was testing here, I got in for a sell in the afternoon. It finally tapped it. I need to start making these recaps when I'm taking a trade. Anyways, it tapped it right here. It tapped it right. Maybe I use a 15-minute. I'm not sure actually. Go to the 15-minute. Oh, here we go. I used the 15-minute right here, I think. Because I was like, yeah, we should be good. It tapped into it, it's breaking structure. Save that. Go to the 5-minute. It tapped. Started rejecting. I'm like, yeah, that's it. That gotta be it, right? That gotta be it, right? Nope. Wasn't it at all. Oh, I used the furthest. There you go. I used the wick of the candle that retested. So here. That's why I couldn't find it. Because I knew it was like a very particular wick that tapped into it. Either way, the more of the story is I took the sell and I lost. When price finally came and hit up the actual zone in the afternoon, which is this purple zone right here, we got some movement from there. And I held it all the way to 4 o'clock. Came right here, came down, coming down, 3 something. Finally, I got in like right here. I used the whole entire stop, like 4:15 or something like that. And I was trying to take it down to the lows, like right here, or at least 1 to 1. And then I had another continuation pattern right here. So I got in right here. Stop loss was up here. But price came all the way down here at 3:59. Right as soon as it was 2 seconds, and then it was 1 second left, I closed. And price reversed all the way back up. So what happened was I took a loss on the first one. I ended up getting into gold by accident. Then I had to close. That would have took like $5 though. Then I got into 2 contracts on the M&Q sale. That would have been like 200 some change. I'm like, nah, I don't need that. So I got out of one. So I lost like something because it was already in the drawdown. So I lost like $20 to $30. And then I lost a real trade. Even though I closed it early though, because I realized like, yo, in my head I kept saying, yo, you got it on the wrong entry. You got it in the wrong zone. You got it on the wrong zone. I got into a sell. I closed in profit. So I was only down $30 on a day. That happened. It's easy to keep track of what happened with gold though. So gold. If you want to form, okay, we'll just go to gold here. And we'll go to gold here. Something's happening with the connectivity of said gold. We'll go ahead and close that out, but oh, there we go. Now gold, I'm still bearish on gold. Why? Yesterday we had the 2-1 move up, 2 breaker structures, and both of them not closed below. So we're back in sales. We had a retracement, what we want to see, a sell down, a breaker structure. When you have a breaker structure, what do you want to see? A retracement. So even though price is buying up right now, and I could look for buys up to areas where I think it'll sell, I'm going to just wait because I already got it done. Essentially what we're looking for is this now. You had a down, up, down, a new breaker structure. We're looking for price to come into here and then test low again. I, however, just caught a sell right here, this movement. I didn't get too greedy, and I didn't take it too long, and I didn't take it too far. If we're looking for price to push up, to retest areas to sell down, the same pattern that I use when I'm looking for sells, which is a reversal pattern, down, up, breaker structure, retest. What does this look like? A bearish candle, a bullish candle, a bearish candle, a bullish candle, okay? We have a new set, a bearish candle, and a bullish candle. Where is price going to have to retest to? This zone that I drew. So I took the sells down to this zone. I did get a little greedy, go like 1 to it. No, I didn't. I got like 1 extra point from where I originally had my TP. But I'm going to break it down and show you. Price hit the hourly zone. Because I know this hourly zone is below the zones up here, it's not the most secure. Like anywhere from up here to down here, golden. If you get a reversal pattern up here, golden. You can cash all the way down. That's where the patience comes in. If I could really not take any trades today or tomorrow or whatever it takes, Sunday open, till price comes all the way up here and then gives a reversal pattern such as an hourly reversal pattern because it's on an hour but it was so many zones broken, or a 15-minute if I really trust it into this deep hourly zone up here, and then on a 15-minute I get a 5-minute reversal pattern and then a 1-minute entry, something like that, or more confirmation, and I take it down for a sell, I can get money on a position sell here, sell down to here. So like I probably want to take one big sell all the way down to here, but multiple, like over the course of how many days it takes to redo this. Like this is from Tuesday all the way to Wednesday. We're going into Thursday to retrace. Like it might take another day or two to retest and then come back down. That's 2 winning days that you could find with multiple trades on the inside. But anyways, All that to say, I did take a sell from that zone that's not to be trusted. We had price test the 5 minute. Um, we had price test a 15-minute zone on a 5 minute time frame. We had a change of character. So we had a break of structure to the upside, see the candle close. Then we had a candle close above this. And then we had a big bearish move where price closed not just below one higher low, but two higher lows. Then we had a retracement. It didn't come right away though. Well, this one did, but price went all the way down. I didn't FOMO in here. I said, all right, to get me a continuation pattern, I would need price to close below this wick. But I also said if price comes up here and gives me a reversal pattern, I can use this with the stop loss up here. I was driving still. I'm pretty sure I was driving. Right when I just stopped, price was down here. I said no, because I had looked at it when it was pushing up, and I'm like, "Are we good?" And I put when this first cluster of candles started forming, I said good. And in the next 5 to 6 minutes, this happened. Reversal pattern. And so I missed it, but I still got in. I got in late. I got in like right here, and then I got another one down here when it actually closed, and I took it for perfect 1 to 1. Even though it wasn't that low. So I probably got a little higher. But I took them both for 1 to 1. I really actually took it because I looked to the left and I said, where is the wick where price could want to buy from? It's 67.8. So I added 3. I was going to take it to like 68.2, which is adding 0.4. But I just decided to take a little lower so I can make 200 on the day. Ended up closing early anyways, regardless, despite how much it went down. And yeah, as you can see, we're up 190 on the day. I'm going to go to Compass. I want to see if it's updated. The lack of trade diversification. They're being a hater. They're mad because I only trade gold and Q. I'm assuming that's what they're talking about. No evidence of stop loss usage or buffer. You know why? Because I've been winning. Duh. It's like, no, I'm just joking. It's because I'm pretty sure I closed early the last two. What did I say? I kind of always. Oh, yeah. This one I got into gold. Then I got out for a loss. Then I got into 2 contracts. Then I got out of a win. Then I took a full loss. Then I took a win. That's why I have 5 trades. I'm up 190 already. This is the type of consistency I see. Like, this makes me feel good. And on my, I should be up 300 something because I'm times 2 in the copy trading. This is 5. Let's see, safe. There we go. 380, 190 times 2. Perfect. I had to go crazy to recover that. I recovered it last night. And I don't even know how. That's not even 1220. It's just 167. So I probably just had, I was above the buffer at one point. But I'm super above it. I should have let it hit TP though, because this is the trailing account. But nonetheless, it doesn't matter. Inconsistent trade durations leading to timing errors. Trade duration. Forget it. Recent short positions generating losses. Forget it. It's like, nah, hey, we like this. Uniform contract sizing, strong overall profit factor despite low win rate. The win rate is skewed because, well, with this day I had a crazy RR. This day was just multiple dumb things that happened. And today I had 5 trades, 3 of them being losers, because I had to close the gold trade in a loss because I thought I entered on NQ, then I closed right away. Then I entered 2 contracts and closed one early because I was like, yeah, you don't need to take that risk, you're just getting greedy, and I'm glad I did because I lost. Then I took the real loss. Then I entered the real sell, and then I added to that sell, and then I closed both, so that's 5. So we'll see. We could really turn this around. And then we got this other account here. It's essentially the same as the first one, but short positions generate disproportionate losses. High bullets there and there trade duration. Yeah, see, I think they mean how long I'm in the trade for. So, but overall, all these accounts are doing good. I'm up 500. If I can get another one today, like if I'm not trying to get 600 in a day so I can pass faster, but it would be nice to pass next week and also be able to trade on the fundings next week. I don't know. I just feel like I'm approaching a little different. I'm feeling a little different, man. I'm feeling like a little different. Except next week we do have 10 a.m. news one of the days. I'm actually getting so hungry. Like I'm gonna eat very soon. Oh, we're in September. We are in September. Dang. That's actually crazy. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, we have 10 a.m. news on Tuesday, so Tuesday will be a day off for me, which is fun. I could just focus on work. Tomorrow's Thursday. If you do catch this video tonight somehow, I will be on at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time to stream. But yeah, man, if you're taking part in the markets, man, just take your time, be patient, do your due diligence, and it's possible, man. Like our biggest challenge is ourself. Literally, I made a video with the title. It's supposed to be that, but I kind of messed it up. But we are our biggest challenge, man. And once we overcome ourselves, our discipline, our tendencies, our eagerness, our greed, our lack of patience, yo, it's right there for. Because if you have a profitable strategy, like I have no doubt that the strategy I'm thinking of is profitable. Once you have that, can you follow the rules? Can you be patient? Can you wait for it? So, I mean, that's it. I'm going through my phone right now. I want to see. I'm pretty sure I said something about. Yeah, might skip CPI days overall. So I don't know if it was. I don't know. CPI days, no more trading. 10 a.m. news days, no more trading. And even with all those parameters, like you still have so many days out the year if you want to do this full time. And I do want to do this full time to make it happen. So, anyways, if you see the video, appreciate you for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next side.